So it's counterintuitive, but it's actually a great moment to be doing this. Market is slightly down for blockchain. Some of the hype is down also in the general media about blockchain and cryptocurrency and Web3 maybe in general. So it's actually the best time for people who are actually passionate about the technology to be learning about it and not to learn about those shiny, fluffy projects, but to actually learn about the technology, what are the opportunities, what are the current projects, what can be built on top of those projects, and to go deeper into the opportunities of blockchain. It's actually when the market is down and when there is not when all the media and focus on it, it's a great time to actually invest in proper education. We were the first one to launch an in-person technical academy for learning blockchain and Polkadot, the first blockchain to do it, and we are definitely committed to continue doing so, especially during this time, and also to enable those who want to learn more about their technical education in our core devs track, but also those who want to take the opportunity of the down market to actually think about new ventures and new ideas and think and support them when building their technical and also entrepreneurial education to do so.
I think with anything that you're doing for the first time, it's really exciting because you have a lot of opportunity, but on the flip side, there's not really much precedent in terms of how we should be doing it or how it's going to look when we put it together. So what we try to do is basically create an environment for success, right? We put smart people in a room, we put students who are motivated and show a lot of potential, and we put also some of the best and brightest from around Polkadot, and we see what happens when the two of them meet. And so far this has been a successful model, and we learn really every time that we do this how to get better, how to improve the curriculum, how to improve life after the Polkadot Blockchain Academy for alumni, and it's exciting to see where this is going.
The Academy team is distributed, as is basically every team in the Polkadot ecosystem, including Parity. We're great collaborators, though. There's a great culture of communication within the team. To have put on these academies in the way that we have, it's a real team effort.